It's the sixth annual casino night event. It's just another creative way to continue to raise money for my foundation. You know, everybody loves to come out and learn how to gamble. Obviously, it's fake money, but the key of it is just gambling, getting as much fake money as you can. That translates to raffle tickets and then to the silent auction. So at the end of the day, it's all about the kids. I'm excited to be here.
Marcedes obviously UCLA Bruin and wanted to come and support his foundation, and I'm excited to be a part of the event.
Now, the big theme of the night is casino night. Is there a favorite casino game that you like to play?
I'm a blackjack, a free bet blackjack guy. I can play baccarat, I can play poker, craps. I mean, I could kind of play it all.
I'm a craps player. You know, hopefully they got some dice in there. Shake them up and roll them and hit some sevens.
Is there a game where you play the most because you're like, oh, I won a lot of money playing this game?
Blackjack, no question.
Is there a game that you don't play because you're like, I keep losing playing this game?
I don't play poker like in Vegas. I just don't feel good about it. But if I'm sitting down here amongst friends, like I wouldn't mind playing poker.
What's the most you've won playing in the casino game?
Man, see, I don't like talking about that because they're gonna bring bad luck in the future. So, I'm gonna keep that to myself. And I haven't had the best luck. Let's put it that way.
Well, let's flip that one. What's the most you've lost in a casino game?
See, I ain't playing that game, man. I'm not playing that one. Nah. I'm not talking about that. Those losses hurt, man. Those losses obviously stick with you more than the wins do.
So the foundation is really to support the inner city kids in my community. When I was younger growing up, I never had that, and so I always said if I was ever on a platform to do it, why not do it? And so right now, this is my platform, and every day I'm living it. So it's always good giving back.